program, we have a very important program known as the Inspirational Talk on Education. As we all are aware that the SSLC exam will be held in 2 days from now. And now we have with us a very prominent teacher from Bhoi district, Shri Madhav Singh. So we would like to welcome Shri Madhav Singh to our program, and also straight away we will have a short conversation with Sir on this educational talk. So Sir, can you tell us how should the student prepare for this coming SSLC exam, especially in science particularly?
Thank you, Eric, for inviting me in your studio. And here, if you talk about the preparation for SSLC examination 2018, the exam is going to start from the 7th March till 19th March 2018. So students are preparing their for the exams. Now, during the process of preparation, what happened that students have lots of tension. They think that can I get good marks or not? So for this, we can suggest that if during the process of preparation for their examination, first of all, the students, they should keep in mind that how to keep their mind in balance. Mental balance is very important factor which can help the students to continue their studies and they can prepare for their exams. Now, when we talk about particularly in science, then there's a thinking in the mind that science is a very tough subject, and they always think that whether I will pass or not in science. But if the students can keep themselves in balance, mentally balanced, and if they prepare throughout their book, then they can score good marks. So during the preparation for their SSLC examinations, what the students should keep it in mind is that how they can manage the time so that they can not only complete the entire syllabus, but they should have extra time. They should create extra space for the revision and practice so that they can enhance themselves, they can make themselves fully prepared in that particular topic that they are preparing. So time management plays an important role in the preparation for their examination.
Many students cannot perform well in science, and also some students have this kind of phobia regarding with science subject. So what is your view on that?
Well, see that when we talk about science, particularly, students, they think that science is a very tough subject. But what we do in our daily life is all related with the science. Say, for example, if you stand in front of a mirror, you see yourself. What is that? There's a particular term is there that is called reflection, or the reflection of light. That means in our day-to-day life, we are facing all these science things. But the thing is that what is that particular term that I have to use? That students, they are not getting. So they are getting according to this standard when they come to class 10, right? So what happened that they get the term reflection of light. So then they come to know, okay, whenever I stand in front of a mirror, I see myself, it is because reflection of light. So how I can see this? It is because angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So some terms they should know. So when they know the terms, then science is very easy because we are practicing in every day. So the thing is that students has to prepare. And one thing is that some students, they used to think that, chalo, tomorrow I have science, so today only I'll prepare. So this is not possible. They have to give extra time to make their own career. So science is not a tough subject if you have regular study habit. So at this moment, like when the exam is going to start on 7th of March, so I can suggest that, first of all, they should not be intense. Some students, they have this habit that they will study, they will prepare everything. But when they enter in the examination hall, they get nervous and they forget some terms. So, but if they will be tension free, they will enter in examination hall with that mind that I know everything, whatever I have prepared, then it will be easy for them to score. And moreover, if you talk about the question pattern that nowadays we can see in metric exams, the question patterns contains many objective questions. Descriptive question also you will be getting 5 marks maximum or less than 5, but not more than 5. So it is a very good platform for the students if they can prepare little bit, if they can give extra effort on that particular subject, then they can score good marks.
So in your view, sir, how should students prepare mentally and emotionally to overcome the exam fever?
Now see, to overcome the exam fever, first of all the students, they have to make themselves fully prepared. Now there are, like some students are there who prepare their SLC examination not through the textbook, but they used to buy so many guidebook. But if you prepared through guidebook, then what will happen, like all the questions are not ready-made, which is already given in the guidebook. So sometimes what happens, the questions comes in such a way that which is not given in guidebook. So students fail to perform. So in that case, if the students will go throughout the books, then what will happen, the objective, descriptive, short answer type, one word, all those questions they can easily prepare. And for that one, they have to show little bit emotional maturity also, so that they can bring good results.
So sir, last but not the least, what is your message from your side to the student and also to the parents who are preparing for this coming SSLC exam?
Well, you see, when we talk about parents, they play an important role to shape the career of their children. Now here, during the time of examination or when the children are preparing for their SLC examination, the parents should see that they should provide full cooperation to the children. After all, parents' cooperation can bring good results and can make a good future to the child. So I request all parents to cooperate with their children and guide them, motivate them so that they can do well in their studies and they can bring good results. And in the meantime, I also request students to pay more attention, give your time on studies, and you have to see that you should not get nervous when you are in the examination hall. Plus, exam is, is a very important, this exam is very important because in any types of interview in future, if you go, then you know that metric mark sheet is required. So if you have good marks, good percentage, then you can get good job or may have good future. So I wish all the best to all the SSLC candidate, and I also pray that they will bring good results.
So with this, we have come to an end of this program for today. On our behalf from the Bhoi News, we would like to extend our heartiest gratitude to Sir Madhav Singh, who has spared his valuable time to come with us and also share his view on this forthcoming SSLC exam 2018. And also we would like to share here, if any doubt from the candidates, from the SSLC students, you have any question or comments on our program, you can raise your question, you can comment down below here, and any question, we will answer it to you through our comments. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Eric, and thank you, LJ Film Studio, for bringing such an innovative program which not only inspire but motivate the students to do well in their examination. And in the meantime, I also wish all the best to all the SSLC candidate 2018. Good luck.